Today we're going to go ahead and talk about how multiplication works. When we talk about multiplication, we're usually referring to the number of things in each group multiplied by the number of groups that there are. And when you multiply those two numbers, you're given an answer. Of course, the symbol that we use is this X right here for multiplication. For example, one bike has two wheels. Now, if we have three bikes, how many wheels are there in total? Now, we could say that we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 wheels in total if we were to count them. But given our formula of the numbers in each group times the number of groups, we could say that each bike represents one group. So the numbers in each group, we could say that we have 1, 2 wheels in each group times the number of groups, which is 1 group, 2 groups, and 3 groups, will give us 6. In this next example, we have Alex bought 3 packs of Pokemon cards. If there are 5 cards in each pack, how many cards does Alex have in total? Using this same equation, we could plug in what we have in our word problem. So if there are 3 packs of Pokemon cards, that would mean that there are 3 groups because that will represent our number of groups. Now, how many are in each group or in each packet of Pokemon cards? It says here that there are 5 cards in each pack. So we'll go ahead and put the 5 in our number in each group. So now we have 5 times 3, which equals 15. If we don't know what 5 times 3 is, we could also use an array. So here we have our 3 Pokemon cards. If each Pokemon card pack has 5 cards in each, then we go ahead and draw our array. This is how our array would look like. And with that, we just go ahead and draw 5 cards representing one group, and there'll be 3 groups of 5 cards in each. So then we'll just go ahead and count to answer. We'll go ahead and do 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. And that is how we would solve it using an array. Of course, there are 5 cards with 3 groups. Before we leave this lesson, I want to leave you all with some tips and tricks that will make us make solving our multiplication problems a lot easier. The first tip is if you multiply any number by 0, you always get 0. So, for example, if I were to have 5 times 0, you'll get 0. Or, if you get 0 times 5, you also get 0. And that's because if you have 0 groups of 5, you have 0 groups. There are none. Number 2. If you multiply any number by 1, it stays the same. For example, if you have the number 1,234 times 1, you get 1,234. Or if you have 6 times 1, then your answer will be 6. My last tip and trick for you is if you need to draw an array, go ahead and do so. It really helps. If there are any questions, please contact us. We're here to help. And that concludes our video on how multiplication works. Thank you for watching.